meeting some beautiful ladies.
African beauty without makeup. You know that thing.
Where are we headed?
We're heading to White Sand Beach.
Oh, do you know I missed the way?
What?
I missed the way.
He missed the way. He has gone to take.
You guys, look.
Oh, said that.
I agree.
Then you can go down.
Can you imagine our driver just missed the way?
Oh, we have to pardon him. That's not his fault.
You guys take a look at our driver. After we paid him about how much are we paying you for this trip? How much are we paying you?
We won't pay again.
We are not paying anymore. We are not going to pay anymore.
And I want pretty ladies all around me. That sexy girl with the bad physique. I've never seen a girl like you. 10 to 1, that's the countdown. She's about to explode and cause confusion. My girl, she's bad, she's not bad. I've never seen a girl like you. That girl, I tell you, she be time bomb.
You guys, before they are going to give us copyright, I really don't want copyright strike on this video. Oh my goodness. So ladies, I want to ask you guys, on our way to our location, what's your idea, what's your plan for relationship 2019?
Big question. Relationship 2019.
Yeah.
As for me, I would love an open relationship.
Oh,
Yes.
and any reason?
If it works out, fine. If it doesn't work out, nobody will be hurt. Do your thing, I do my thing. That's why I know we're in a relationship. If it works out for us, fine. If it doesn't work out, you go your way, I go my way. That's all.
And okay, so relationship, I don't know. The other lady, she's confused, so let's just give her some time to think. She has to think, and then she'll get back to us.
I'm not dating now, but I wish to have a close relationship. In the sense that I would love to spend most of my time with my boyfriend. So I would like to have a serious person. A person who will value my time when I'm spending that time with him. Not someone who will just think you have nothing doing, that's why you are giving him all your time. But at least value the time you give him. That will support you in everything you do. That even if it will take him to go wherever you are going with you, I'm cool. Like, I just want to be with him, but he should give me his mind, support me in everything I do. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting this 2019.
What do you mean by support? Is it financial support?
Yeah, no, everything. Like financial support, maybe
Moral support, spiritual support,
Yes.
emotional support.
I would love to hear from you guys. You've heard from the ladies behind. What do you guys think? where we are going to do the Q&A, and you guys take a look. It's very nice.